Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO for the day. Today I want to show how to install Android 10 official firmware on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Before doing this, let me show you something special. As you can see, this is my phone. Beautiful phone. It's so amazing. And as you can see, this is one UA. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this video to show you to see how to download your firmware. Okay, now look at this is Android 9P, mobile phone S9 Plus. Set of version Android 9P 1UA version 1.0. Wonderful. This is what I'm talking about. Camera. Okay, this is the camera of Android P. When you hold this, look at that. Okay, wonderful. As you can see, this is 1UA version 1. You can see here your beautiful wallpapers and number. Okay, now I want to install Android 10, the new Android 10. On the previous video, I have shown you how to download your firmware. As you can see, the download is finished. The zip file is here. Under this video, on the first link, I will show you the link to see the video that I make to show you how to download your firmware. Okay, when you download, you obtain this field. Okay, you need absolutely to go on some mobile and download your firmware. Download your firmware and put this. Okay, and put your beautiful firmware that you are download from Odin. Please from some mobile. Put this firmware on another folder. Okay, appropriate folder. Okay, almost finished. Wonderful. Now, once you are finished to download this beautiful file, okay, your firmware, now you need absolutely to extract this. Okay, extract this with WinRAR extraction started. Okay, almost finished. The extraction almost finished. Okay, wait for the finishing. Wonderful. Now you can delete the zip file and you obtain all of this file from your firmware. Okay, now you are ready to install this beautiful new firmware. But to do this, you need to have Odin free. You can download Odin free on the link under this video. Okay, download when you open Odin free. Click on OK and open this just like that. And the job can start right now. Okay, it's here the job start. Number 1, connect all of this field BAP, CP, APBL, CPCSC, all of it to this box, these things. Okay, let me show you. Click on BL for the first. Localize the folder where you have put Android 10 and open BL with double click or enter on your keyboard. Wonderful. Select CSC. Okay, CSC and connect to COPs. Connect CP before to connect to CP. CSC now to connect to CSC. And now let me show you something special. Come on your phone. Make sure that you have charged your phone before. Okay, beautiful, amazing. Now, okay, 9.2% of battery. Okay, now turn off your phone. Turn off your phone and get ready to access to the download mode and connect your phone directly to your laptop or your PC. Okay, to connect to face Origin Free, and you will see something here. To do this, you need to hold free touch, BSB button, volume down, and power button in the same time. Like that. BSB button, volume down, and power button in the same time to access to face. Okay, now click on volume up and you are ready to install this beautiful new firmware. Make sure that this is unlocked. Let me show you quickly. As you can see, FFP lock here. Make sure that it's off. Go on developer options from your phone and make sure that it's unlocked. Now when it's unlocked, you are ready to install your beautiful new firmware. Are you ready for that? Don't forget to click share and get ready. Now you can connect your beautiful USB. Okay, connect a beautiful USB-C to your phone. Okay, and you can see here is a pair. Now to finish the job, you can see this castle is empty. Now click on AP and connect to AP here. Okay, this is a big field. After this, this software will be work. Okay, stop it. As you can see, this is why I have use this method. Okay, now you need to wait a few minutes. Okay, wait a few minutes for finishing of this treatment. Amazing. As you can see, Android 10 is available. Okay, the official version is here, and we can start for the installation of this beautiful firmware. Okay, this is the official version. Wonderful. This is also my first installation. I don't know what is the new feature on the 10. I will discover this with you. As you can see, working finish, do job. Now to start, click on start here and you will see something special on your screen. Just here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Click on start and look at here. Okay, let's do it and look at here. Boot, recovery, system, and look at on your phone. This bar appear and the process started. This is what I'm talking about. Now you need to wait just a few minutes for the installation of this version. Wonderful. Okay, wait a few minutes with me. After this, your phone will reboot. This is normal. Now get ready for it. Get ready. Okay, bro, it's almost finished. User data, and you can see the process here also on your phone. Okay, wait for finishing here. After this, get ready. Your phone will reboot many times. If you see good or green here, is good. Okay, the last step. 1 2 3 4 5. What? Wait a few minutes and pass. Whoa! Normally your phone will reboot many times. And look at here, look at that. Can you see this, bro? Let me show you. Look at that. Look at this. Wow. What is this? I don't know this. You can disconnect a beautiful USB and wow, have you seen this, bro? Woo! When the installation started, now you need to wait a few minutes for the installation of your beautiful Android 10. Yeah! After this video, I will make the first review with you. Okay, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is here for you. Look at that. As you can see, the LED is appear. When the LED disappear, the installation of this beautiful firmware is okay. Okay, wonderful. Now you can close this application. Okay, and you can also do the same action to recover your phone. Okay, just factory reset. Okay, thank you Android 10 firmware. Now come back on your phone and wait a few minutes for the installation. I will show you the process step by step. If you like, click on like right now and subscribe today. I love you. Okay, I'm here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for that. I'm so happy. Okay, okay, get ready. Hey, so nice. I love you. Okay, as you can see, the LED disappear. What on your screen right now? Let's see together. Android starting Android, and let go. You can see your network appear. You can choose your language here. You have United Kingdom. Okay, which is good for me. Click on next. Next again. Oh, Skype. Okay. Copy application and data. I don't know you. Okay, dot copy. Just a second. Oh, connection. Network connection. Checking information. What is this? Who are you? Okay, I'll connect to my internet and continue the process. You need to connect to the internet, bro. This is for this checking for update. Wow, this is good news for me. Okay, wait a few minutes. Okay, checking information again. Okay, wonderful. Here you can enter your Google account. I will do this after. Skype. Next. For Google services, you can configure all of this. I will do this after Skype anyway. What wrong with you? What are you doing? Okay, adding the finishing touches. What doing? This may take a few minutes. Okay, wait a few minutes. Okay, get recommended applications. What? Look at that. Sync in your Samsung account. You can do this, bro, for PSB, another Samsung Pay. You can see Samsung Pay, Samsung F, PSB, all of this. I will do this after. Skype, and we are all set. Now click on finish. And welcome on your Android 10. Your SIM card is here. Click on done and let's see. First impression. Ooh, look at that. This is so amazing. This is what I'm talking about. Bro, what do you think? I will make the complete test review after this video. Don't forget to watch this video. Sort of motion. And you can see here Android 10 right now. One new version 2 and woo, this is amazing! Unbelievable. Android 10 official firmware setup on Samsung Galaxy Note 9 S9 Plus. This is crazy. Okay, let's go to the next video, the test review. Let's do it. Lock screen. Woo, amazing. I like it.